we started linking with Shocking Vibes. Through Shocking Vibes, we met Tony Kelly, we met Dave Kelly, we met a lot of them, right? So we were basically around Shocking Vibes for that period of time. So
Mhm.
that's how we came about with doing those songs with Beenie Man. Yeah.
Because you
After
guys
that.
did almost like it seems like you guys did almost an album with Beanie Man at one time because you guys had so many songs together.
Yeah, more than four songs on that album. Many
Mhm.
moods of Moses.
You guys
You
did the
know?
intro. You guys did
Yeah.
collaborations. It was all type of stuff you guys did.
Yeah. But thanks to Bolby, because before we even went to Shocking Vibes, we were around Shocking Vibes. Bolby used to be at Selba some of the time, and he was the one who actually introduced Banky to us. So he was instrumental in our first song with Beenie Man was for Bolby, right? The
Which
girl
song was
them,
that there?
that one is oh God, again. I remember the name of the song. Oh, we can't forget that the first Beenie Man song, man.
Yeah.
But
It
it's too
wasn't
long
Storm.
ago, man.
It
We
wasn't
can't
Storm
remember.
or any of those there.
No, man. Before Storm and all of them, we did one with them. It was a woman show. You are the wife. The name. You are the wife. You have him children.
Committed.
You are the one him come home to when him leave work at night. But all I'm here to try. All I'm gonna try to keep you on. La, 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 la. You see me?
Mhm.
So that was the first one we did with Beanie Man. And then the second one was Banky, through Bolby
Mhm.
again. And that was a straight hit. That was a
And what
straight
did
hit.
okay, so then now when you guys got the big song with
Mm.
Beanie Man missing you, what
Right.
did this now do for you guys' career?
That did a lot. Because now we started hanging around Shocking Vibes now. So we did a lot of shows together,
Mhm.
right? That that just put us on a different level now. Because every show Beanie Man was on locally, we were there.
Mhm.
So we were now like opening act to second to last act, on every show, every
Mhm.
one of them, you know, and then we introduced Beanie Man. So that was like a program set now. Every show Beanie Man, once I see A.R.P, them
Mhm.
know who next, you know. So that was crazy. The last time we performed on White River Reggae Bash. The first time we performed on White River Reggae Bash with Beanie Man, that was unforgettable. Unforgettable, man. Because it's like the intro alone. Because, mighty Beanie Man, ready to kill. Whole face a mash up.
Mhm.
And we not there on stage yet. When time we go up on stage now, then Beanie Man come on and the whole of we are put on this dance performance where, yo, the rail not stop for about almost 10 minutes.
Mhm.
We can't forget them thing, the brother. Come here say, yes,
Mhm. And what year are we speaking
performance
about
up
here?
there.
What
Yeah,
year?
man.
What year are we
That
speaking about
was, we're talking about like 90, 98, 90, yeah, 98, 99.
here? Mhm.
Yeah, around that time.
You guys are doing good. Okay, so then
Yeah,
98, 99, you and Beanie Man are doing great stuff and all this. Did
yeah.
you guys had did a demo album for Island, but that didn't come out. So you guys didn't have a whole body of work for yourself yet at this time here.
No, we didn't. We had a lot of songs here and there, not an album per se,
Mhm.
We were more on the stage shows, basically, I'm trying to remember the year. I think it's 99 or 90. Yeah, I think it's 99. We got best reggae group with Jammies. One time Jammies was an award.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.